After every guest checks out, we take time to clean and reset the unit, either personally or with the help of our trusted cleaning team. We don't rush this process. We treat Christelle Shore like our own home, because it is, and we want every guest who walks in to feel that same level of comfort, cleanliness, and care. You'll see in this time lapse how detailed our cleaning process is. We don't just do the basics. We vacuum every corner, wipe the floors thoroughly, check the walls, windows, curtains, everything. We fix, straighten, and sanitize. From the remote control to the light switches, the mirrors to the corners of the bed frame. We pay attention to details that often go unnoticed. We also use this time to check on the condition of the unit. As owners, we take this responsibility seriously. While cleaning, we inspect the appliances to make sure everything is working. The fridge, microwave, water heater, aircon, even the electric kettle. If anything feels off, we repair or replace it before the next guest arrives. We believe it's better to be proactive than reactive. We also check for little things. Are there enough hangers? Is the shower head still spraying evenly? Do the curtains open and close smoothly? Is the lighting warm and cozy enough for a relaxing stay? These may sound like small details, but they make a big difference in how a space feels. And it doesn't end there. From time to time, we choose to stay in Christelle Shore ourselves, even if it's just for a night or two. We live in it like our guests would. We cook, rest, watch Netflix, work remotely, and simply exist in the space. This helps us understand the overall vibe of the unit. How does it feel in the morning when the sun comes in? Is the couch comfortable enough? Is the internet stable during video calls? Are there any improvements we can make to add convenience or enhance the experience? By doing this, we get to know what's missing. Sometimes it leads to small upgrades, like adding more storage baskets, changing the position of a lamp, or updating the scent of the room. Other times, it inspires bigger updates like the recent addition of our new wall panels to elevate the space visually and make it feel even more homey. We want Christelle Shore to be more than just a clean unit. We want it to feel thoughtful. We want it to feel ready. That's why every cleaning session is also a chance to improve, not just to reset, but to refresh the experience for the next guest. Every time someone books with us, they're not just renting a place to sleep. They're choosing a place to unwind, make memories, and feel at ease, whether it's a quick staycation, a work trip, or a celebration. And that's why we put in this kind of effort after every booking. So the next time you step into Christelle Shore, know that behind the clean curtains, fluff pillows, and sparkling floors is a team. Sometimes just us as owners who took time to care. Because your stay means a lot to us. And we want it to show. Christelle Shore is now ready to welcome you back. Our June and July calendar is officially open, and we're excited to host both new and returning guests. Whether you're planning a relaxing break, a city escape, or a weekend staycation near MOA, we've got the perfect space for you. Many of our guests come back, not just because of the clean and cozy unit, but because they know how much we care. Every detail is prepared with intention, from cleanliness to comfort. So if you stayed with us before, we'd love to have you again. And if it's your first time, we can't wait to show you what makes Christelle Shore special. Dates fill up quickly, especially on weekends, so don't wait too long to book your stay. Christelle Shore is ready for you. See you soon.